Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to see if the Trusted Platform module is installed on your PC or not. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So you're going to go ahead and open up the Start menu just one time. So left click on that and then type in Run. Best match should come back with Run here. Left click on that one time. Now in this open field, you want to go ahead and just type in tpm.msc. So again, tpm.msc, and then left click on OK. Give it a moment here. So if it says compatible TPM cannot be found, it's more than likely that it is not installed on your computer. So pretty straightforward process there. Do hope I was able to help satisfy your curiosity, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.